Hello, beautiful people. So my daughter brought this plant over, so we're going to repot it today. Yep. The roots are just about getting ready to pop out. Guys, look at those roots. Woo-wee. She's gonna love her new place. Put a little stick in here to make her sturdy. Stand up straight at a 10. Jump! She's all potted and she's getting her a little shower now. So guys, she's all ready to go. Doesn't she look pretty? Yeah. And remember, plants love apartments, not mansions. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.